Fourth problem. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. Here tens place, here ones place. Suppose we are taking the ones place number is suppose x. The tens place number is 3x. It is multiply with 10 plus ones place number. It is the original number. This is the original number. If you interchange the digits of this two digit number, interchange, so 10 into x plus 3x, it is the interchange number, and add the resulting number, adding of these two, getting 88. Add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? We can find out what is the number of this. Okay, here one of the two digit number of the two digit numbers is 3 times the other digit, 3 times the other digit. Okay, that is nothing but solution. Let x be the one of the digits, one of the digit of two digit number. The other number is 3 times the one of the digit. That is nothing but the original two digit number equal to 10 into x plus 3x. 10x plus 3x equal to 10 into x, 10x plus 3x equal to 13x. It is the original number. Next, interchange the digits. Interchange the digits of the two digit number. Interchange means 10 into 3x plus x. 10 threes are 30x plus x, 31x. This is the resulting number. Let it be equation 1, it is equation 2. Original number and interchanging number both add one to another. Original number and interchange number add 1 and 2, we get 88. That is nothing but 13x plus 31x equal to 88. 13 plus 31 is 44, x equal to 88. X equal to 88 by 44. 44 ones are 44 twos are. X equal to 2. Therefore, the original number is 13 into 2, 26. The interchange number equal to 31 into 2, 62, or interchanging of 26 is 62. This is the answer. Fifth problem. Shobos mother's present age is 6 times present Shobos age. Shobos present age. Shobos age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's age. What is their present ages? Shobos mother is comparing with the Shobos age. It is the Shobos. Shobos mother is here. Here, suppose we are taking Shobos age equal to x. The mother's age is 6 times of Shobos present age. After 5 years from now, after 5 years means add plus 5 to the Shobos age and Shobos mother's age. What is the relation? 1/3 of his mother's age. Shobos age equal to, that is x plus 5 is equal to 1/3 of Shobos mother's age. This is the relation. If you get this relation, you get the x value, then easy to find out the present ages of the Shobos and his mother's age. Okay, here let Shobos age is equal to x years. Shobos mother's age is 6 times of 6 times Shobos present age. Now we are taking Shobos present age equal to x years. That is nothing but Shobos mother's age. So Shobos mother's present age equal to 6x. Okay, next. Shobos age 5 years from now. 5 years from now, Shobos age will be x plus 5 years. 6x years. Next, the Shobos from now will be 1/3 his mother's age. That is nothing but first 5 years from now, Shobos age will be x plus 5 years. Shobos mother's age will be six x plus 5 years. 5 years from now, Shobos age equal to 1/3 of Shobos mother's age. After 5 years or 5 years from now, Shobos age is x plus 5 equal to 1/3 into Shobos mother's age is 6x plus 5 years. Now simplify it. By the cross multiply, 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 6x plus 5. By the distribution law, 3 into x, 3x plus 3 5s are 15 equal to 6x plus 5. And add minus 3x and minus 5 on both sides. Minus 3x means 3x eliminated. 15 minus 5 equal to 6x. Minus 5 plus 5 is eliminated. 6x minus 3x. So 10 equal to 3x. So x equal to 10 by 3 years. Here again read the question. Shobho's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. The question is mother's present age. What is their present ages? Mother's present age means the mother's present age is 6x. So we are taking here mother's present age. Mother's present age means the present age mother's is 6x. 3 ones are 3 twos are 2x. So x plus 5 equal to 2x. This x is taking to right side. 5 equal to 2x minus x. X equal to 5. Therefore, Shobho's present age equal to 5 years. Shobho's mother's age, mother's present age, 6 into 5 equal to 30 years. Sixth question. There is a narrow rectangular plot. It is a rectangular plot. Okay. Reserved for a school. This is the in the Mahuli village. Okay. The length and breadth plot of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. This is the 11x. It is the 4x. Why? Because it is 11:4 means the length, it is equal to length and breadth ratio is 11 and 4 ratio. That is nothing but length is equal to 11x, breadth is equal to 4x. When they have given in the ratio means we can multiple with the x variable. At the rate 100 rupees per meter. First per meter, 100 rupees per meter. Per 1 meter 100 rupees. That is nothing but 1 meter cost is 100 rupees. Per meter it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 rupees. The total amount 75,000 rupees to fence the plot. Fencing means that is the perimeter of the rectangular plot. So that is equal to rectangle perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. What is the total length? How much it is? 2 into L plus B. The total cost is that into 100 rupees is equal to 75,000. Or we are taking the total cost of the perimeter is equal to 75,000 rupees. So we can calculate from this relation what are the dimensions of the plot. That is nothing but we can calculate the x, then we are getting the dimensions of the plot when we substitute the x value. Okay, that they have given the relation of the rectangular plot with the fencing cost. Fencing is nothing but we remember we are taking perimeter of the rectangle. The how much we are getting the perimeter value in meters, that should multiply with 100. It is 2 into L plus B into 100 by 75,000 equal to, or both are equal to 75,000. Now here we can take let given that length and breadth of the rectangular plot in the ratio 11:4, that is nothing but length of a rectangle equal to 11x, breadth of a rectangle equal to 4x. $1 meter cost of fencing equal to 100 rupees. Total cost of rectangular plot equal to 75,000 rupees. Fencing is nothing but we can calculate the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle plot equal to 2 into L plus B equal to 2 into 11x plus 4x equal to 2 into 15x. 2 15s are 30x. So 30x meters. This is 1 meter cost equal to 100 rupees. Then 30x meters cost equal to 75,000 rupees. Then x meter equal to 75,000 rupees by 30. 0 3 0 cancel, 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 5s are 0 0. So it is 2500. So x equal to 2500. From this, length equal to 11x equal to 11 into 2500. 0 0, 11 5s are 55, 5, 11 2s are 22 plus 5 27. Breadth meter, sorry, here one more change. Here 30x into 100 rupees cost equal to 75,000. Why? Because 30x meter cost equal to 75,000. So 30x 1 meter cost equal to 100 rupees. Okay. Since 1 meter cost equal to 100 rupees. So the meters can be converted into cost. It becomes 30x into 100 rupees equal to 75,000 rupees. So 30x equal to 75,000 rupees by 100 rupees. Rupees cancel, 2 zeros cancel, 750. 750 is the x value. So here x equal to 750 by 30. 0 0 cancel, 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 5s are, x equal to 25. Therefore x equal to 25 meter. Then length equal to 11x equal to 11 into 25. 25 ones are 25, 2 is carry, 275 meter length. Breadth equal to 4x, that is equal to 4 into 25 equal to 100 meters breadth. Therefore, the length and breadth measures are, the dimensions of the plots are, it's a rectangular plot, dimensions are 275 meter, 100 meter dimensions. That is nothing but 275 by 100 meter dimensions. Okay, these are the dimensions. Again here 1 meter cost is 100 rupees, 30x meter cost equal to 75,000. Here the meters, 1 meter can be converted into cost, equality of the cost. So 1 meter equal to 100 rupees we can substitute, then that can be converted into values. So x value is 25. When we are applying the length, then that becomes the meter. Okay, so length equal to 11 into 25, 275 meter. Breadth equal to 4x, 4 into 25.